Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the best offline music players for your Android device in 2024? Here are our top 5 picks. Number 1. Imp. It's lightweight, supports all major audio formats, and has a customizable interface, perfect for audiophiles who love tweaking the sound. Number 2. Jet Audio. This one is a powerhouse with advanced playback features, a 10-band equalizer, and various effects like reverb and X-Bass. It's great for those who want full control over their music experience. Number 3. Musically. No ads, multiple queries, and a straightforward interface. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for managing your music library efficiently. Number 4. Pulsar. It has beautiful design, tag editing, and Chromecast support. Plus, it's tiny and fast, making it ideal for users who love a clean and responsive player. And on to our last one is phonograph. It has gorgeous UI, smooth animations, and easy to use. It's perfect for everyday listening with its intuitive and user friendly interface. There you have it, the top 5 free offline music players for Android in 2024. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome quick tips and tricks.